Hands-on experiences, so important, and we make sure that every single course here that student takes at CIAM, whether it's one of our core courses or part of one of the concentrations, they have opportunities for hands-on learning.
For 2 of my classes, those have been consulting projects with real clients in different industries. And together with my teammates, we've been able to understand our different strengths and weaknesses to kind of split up the project, which I feel like is extremely beneficial because that's exactly what we will be doing in the real world.
We had a client set to each team. It was a real life client, so ours was based in New York, and it was really fun to just get that hands-on experience on how to help a company that's just starting grow to the company that we really wanted it to be. Everything that we learned in class, we proposed it to the client, and it was super fun. It was very fun.